Searching for spark plugs for your 5.7 Hemi, everything looks the same packaging, same claims, same photos. But here's the thing, the real difference isn't in the pictures. It's in the materials, the heat range, and how they actually perform under real driving conditions. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly which ones deliver. Product number 1, Champion Copper Plus 2011-2024. First up, the Champion Copper Plus set for 2011 to 2024 Ram 1500 5.7L Hemis. Priced around $74 for 16 plugs, this is one of the most budget-friendly options on the list. What caught my eye is that it uses genuine Champion parts, a brand known for racing and OEM reliability. Now, copper core plugs like this one are great for older engines or basic daily drivers because they conduct electricity well and are affordable. The 14-thread size and alloy steel shell are built to fit snugly in your Hemi without stripping. Champion says these improve performance by reducing wear compared to cheaper knockoffs. And with over 100 sold recently, it's clear people trust the name. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your truck just needs reliable ignition without performance mods, copper gives you dependable starts and smooth idle at a fair price. But let's be real, copper plugs don't last as long as iridium or platinum. Some users report needing replacement every 30,000 miles, especially if you tow or drive aggressively. Now, some people complained about shorter lifespan. Here's the thing though, if you're doing regular maintenance and don't push your engine hard, that interval is totally normal. It's only a deal breaker if you want 100,000-mile longevity. This is perfect for you if you own a 2011-2024 Ram 1500 and want OEM-level reliability without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're modding your engine or want maximum lifespan. For the price, it's a solid value, just plan to replace them more often. Product number 2, NGK Iridium iX 2011-2024. Now, if Champion's shorter lifespan bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The NGK Iridium iX set jumps to $193, more than double the price, but uses iridium tips which are way more durable. NGK is the world's top spark plug supplier, so you're getting serious engineering here. Iridium is one of the hardest metals used in spark plugs, so the center electrode wears down much slower. That means consistent spark over time, fewer misfires, and better fuel efficiency. The M14X125 thread and tapered ground electrode help focus the spark precisely where it needs to go critical in a high-compression Hemi. NGK claims improved ignition and reduced emissions, and with 50+ sold recently, mechanics and DIYers are paying attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you drive a lot or tow frequently, this plug maintains performance longer and helps prevent rough idle or hesitation. But honestly, the price stings. At nearly $200, it's a big jump from copper. Some buyers also note that unless your engine is tuned or under load, the real-world difference might not feel dramatic. Now, some people complained about cost versus noticeable gains. Here's the thing though, if you keep your truck for 10+ years, the extended lifespan, often 80,000-100,000 miles, saves you time and labor costs. It's only overkill if you're selling soon or barely drive. This is perfect for you if you want maximum longevity and drive your Ram hard or long distance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't plan to keep the truck beyond 50,000 miles. For serious owners, it's worth the investment. Product number 3, NGK Iridium iX New Parts Set. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compatibility. What sets this apart is the detailed spec sheet. 0.551-inch thread diameter, 26.5 m reach, 5,000 ohm resistance, and a 0.044-inch pre-gap, all designed to match your Hemi's ignition system perfectly. The iridium tip and copper core combo delivers strong, consistent sparks while resisting corrosion. New Parts bundles 16 plugs in one kit, so you're covered for a full service. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you own multiple Hemi-powered vehicles or want to avoid fitment issues, this set reduces the risk of cross-threading or poor seals. But here's the catch, it's the most expensive on this list. And since it's sold by a third-party brand, not directly from NGK, some buyers worry about authenticity. Now, some people complained about receiving non-NGK packaging or unclear labeling. Here's the thing though, if you buy from a top-rated seller and check the part numbers, you'll likely get genuine NGK plugs. It's only risky if you grab it from an unknown vendor. This is perfect for you if you drive a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram with a 5.7 or 6.4 Hemi and want exact OEM replacement. Skip this one if you only need plugs for one truck and can get NGK direct. For multi-vehicle owners, the peace of mind is worth the extra cost. Product number 4, KAX Coil and Plug Kit Plus Tool. Now, if you're tired of replacing just the plugs and still having misfires, this KAX Combo Kit changes the game. For $201, you get 8 ignition coils, 16 iridium spark plugs, and a magnetic socket tool, all designed for 2009-2025.7 Hemis. If you want a complete ignition refresh in one box, this is the all-in-one solution. The iridium plugs offer long life, while the coils deliver fast ignition 0, 1, 0, 2 seconds and high voltage output, key for smooth starts and power under load. The included magnetic socket is genius. It holds the plug securely so you won't drop it into the engine bay. KAX claims 6,500-mile longer lifespan and RF interference protection, which helps your electronics stay clean. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your truck has over 80,000 miles and you've never replaced the coils, this kit prevents future misfires and restores lost power. But honestly, it's overkill if your coils are still good. Some users said they only needed plugs, not coils, and felt upsold. Now, some people complained about unnecessary parts. Here's the thing though, if your check engine light flickers or you feel hesitation, replacing both coils and plugs together prevents comebacks. It's only wasteful if your ignition system is already healthy. This is perfect for you if your Hemi is older or high mileage and you want a full ignition overhaul. Skip this one if your coils are new or you're on a strict budget. For DIYers doing a major service, it's a smart bundle. Product number 5, Champion Copper Plus 2003-2008. Finally, for the older Hemi crowd, this Champion Copper Plus set fits 2003-2008 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7L trucks. At $72, it's nearly identical to the newer model, but tailored for pre-2009 engines. If you're restoring or maintaining an early Hemi on a budget, this is your go-to. Champion's reputation for racing and OEM use still applies here, so you're not sacrificing quality. These plugs help maintain smooth operation and reliable cold starts, which older Hemis sometimes struggle with. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you drive a classic Ram and don't want to spend $200 on plugs, this keeps your engine running strong without modern frills. But again, copper wears faster. And since these engines are already 15-20 years old, some users report needing more frequent tune-ups. Now, some people complained about fouling in stop-and-go traffic. Here's the thing though, that's often due to aging fuel systems, not the plug itself. Pair these with fresh wires and good gas and they'll serve you well. This is perfect for you if you own a 2003-2008 Ram 1500 and want affordable, reliable ignition. Skip this one if you've upgraded your ignition system or want ultra-long life. For classic truck owners, it's a no-brainer value. So which spark plug wins? For budget-friendly reliability, go with Champion Copper. For maximum lifespan and performance, NGK Iridium is the king. Need full compatibility across brands? The new parts NGK set has you covered. Doing a full ignition overhaul, KAX's kit is worth it. And for older Hemis, the early model Champion keeps classics running strong. Pick based on your truck's age, your driving style, and how long you plan to keep it.